And I have another question now. So, how many women have pockets in what they're wearing right now? Just show of hands. If you could give me a cheer also, so I can't see. Okay. And how many women wish to have more pockets in their clothing? Yeah. So, I don't have any pockets today. And wait, I'm late. Again. Wait, I'm always late.
Great.
As my unpunctuality gets the better of me, running down the stairs, trying not to trip, gripping onto my phone, which at this point is going bloody berserk, buzzing bzzz, 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 pap, pap. My friend is honking and calling me at the same time. Who does that, man? Amidst this cacophony, I run down with my keys, phone, charger, wallet, wires hanging around my arms just as I calm myself. My phone falls. Another crack added to the multiple cracked lines. I don't think it's the tempered glass this time. As I frantically, ungracefully, and with great difficulty open the door, you scream,
Why don't you just put it in your pocket?
"Sure, why don't you just put it in my back pocket, just put it in my back pocket." I've dropped my phone on several occasions, but maybe it's just not my clumsy disposition. Maybe it's the lack of an invention. Or let's say, a misuse of an invention. Let me explain. There was a time where in the same week, my mom, sister, and I were victims of the tiny back pocket syndrome. Some, and that too rarely do we women have pants with front pockets. Most jeans, pants, trousers, shorts have back pockets with the space of a fingernail. So as we stuff our giant phones in our female back pockets, pull down our pants to take a piss. That wasn't our shit. I always imagine all the phones dropped in the pot because of the tiny back pocket syndrome as Olympic divers. And the iPhone 15 has made a beautiful dive. The judges are scoring them on a scale of 1 to 10. Time of takeoff, rotations and twists. Time taken to enter the water. Time taken to come afloat. Arey, why don't you carry a tote bag or a handbag or a sling bag or a backpack? Nah, just put it in my back pocket. 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 Come on, guys. I think handbags are cool. Do you like handbags too? You can always match them to your shoes and make your outfits look complete. But you know, sometimes I just need both my hands to greet or to defeat or just to look neat. I think handbags are cool. Do you like handbags too? They can carry a lot of things and keep your shoulders lopsided. Don't be divided. I'm not trying to be anti-bags. It just nags at me not to have a choice. Even for the tiniest thing, I carry this additional burden on my shoulder. Literally, on the contrary, I think handbags are cool. But the reason I whine is because we carry pants. Because of poor functional design. Just put it in my back pocket. Just put it in my back pocket. You all know this now. Just put it in my back pocket. Just put it in my back pocket. You know, one day, I put my hands in a man's pocket. Don't look so scandalized. It's not banned, at least not yet. I wish putting hands in men's pocket were a trend because, oh, it's so deep. You almost get lost inside them. Actually, I think it's a good pickup line, you know, instead of saying eyes, you can say, man, I got so lost in your pockets. Because are they deep? In them, you can just curl up and sleep. Sometimes I think Hermione casts the undetectable extension charm. There's really no harm in trying to cram a whole universe in the pocket of a guy. Sigh. I'm really jealous of your deep pockets, man. Man, you got some deep ass pockets. Well, so do I. Only if that was true, I would invite you to. Just put it in my back pocket, back pocket. Just put it in my back pocket, back pocket.
Front pocket.
Just put it in my back
pocket.
pocket, back pocket.
Shirt pocket.
Just put it in my back pocket, back. One more time, everyone, please. Just put it in my back pocket, back pocket. Just put it in my back pocket. Put it in your bra. Nah. Thank you, that's my time.